We are back again with a question of CAT 2018, and let's have a look at this question. So it says that let A and B be two regular polygons having A and B sides respectively. If B is equal to 2A and each interior angle of B interior is 3 by 2 times of interior angle of A, then each interior angle in degrees of a regular polygon with A plus B sides is what? Right? So first you need to know what is a regular polygon. If you are following doing cat prep, then this is the basic thing that you should know. So if any polygon is having four sides, so all the four sides would be equal. If any is having n sides, all the n sides would be equal. That is a regular polygon. So now we have been given equation in the interior angles. That interior angle of B is equal to 3 by 2 of interior angle of A. Now, if you don't know how to calculate interior angle, because before solving this question, even I forgot the formula. So what you can do is basically think of the lowest sided polygon, which could be of three sides, which is a triangle. So if each side is equal, each interior angle would be 60, 60, 60. The sum would be 180. Now think of a regular polygon with four sides, which is a square. So 90, 90, 90. This is 360. So you can see the sum of all the interior angles is a multiple of 180. And in the case when n was 3, it was 180. When n was 4, it was 360. So you can see it is n minus 1, n minus 2 into 180. Here n minus 2, which is 2 into 360, 180, which will be 360. So here sum of all interior angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180. If you can remember this formula, it's very good. If you can't, just try to think with the smallest possible regular polygon. Then you will be able to help yourself. So now for this is sum of all the interior angles, right? N minus 2 of into 180. Now measure of each interior angle would be what? This is sum of all. So for each, we will divide it by number of sides, n minus 2 into 180 by n. Got my point? Because this is sum of all interior angles. How many interior angles would be there? The number of sides, which is n. These many interior angles would be there. So for each of the interior angle, this will be the formula finally. Right? Now we just apply this formula in this particular equation. So for interior angle of B, we have B minus 2 into 180 by B is equal to, we have 3 by 2 into A minus 2 by 180 into 180 by A. We have also been given that B is equal to 2A. So just put it 2A minus 2, 180, 2A is equal to 3 by 2 A minus 2, 180. You can cancel 180, 180, 2A, 2A. So you would get 2A minus 2 is equal to 3A minus 6, and you would get A is equal to 4. So if A is equal to 4, B is equal to 8. Now, what is the question saying? The question is saying that we need to find the interior angle in degrees of a regular polygon with A plus B sides. So if A is 4, B is 8, what is A plus B? A plus B is 12. So we need to find the interior angle of a polygon having 12 sides. So what was the formula for interior angle? It was n minus 2, again 180 by n. So we would do this 12 minus 1 into 180, sorry, 12 minus 2 into 180 by 12. This is 10 by 12 into 180. So if you solve this, what will you get? This is 2, this is 15, and this is 5. 5 into 15 is your 75 degrees. So this is your each interior angle with a regular polygon having 12 sides each. If you remember this formula, this questions can be very easy. If you can't, then you'll have to have some time, take some time to derive the formula first and then calculate this. And deriving the formula was not a difficult task. Hope you got it. And as soon as I finished the question, I realized I made a mistake while calculating n minus 2 by n. This was 10 by 12 into 180. Now what I did was I did this 2 and did this 15, but this would be 25. So this was what I was talking about in my other videos, that I tend to make very silly mistakes. And this I did even during the CAT exam, which costed me a lot of percentile in quant section. So that is I request a lot that you guys use calculator even for the silliest calculations. Even 1 plus 1, I wrote it as 3 sometimes. So this is what I am referring to. So your answer is basically 150 degrees, right? But please use calculator.